बोलो भारत माता की
Jai.
Respected teachers, and my dear parents, and my dear students. Today we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day anniversary. Yes, we are taking a great pleasure in celebrating Republic Day, which is a reminder of our fundamental rights and duties. So today, each one of us must question ourselves in this pandemic, 2019 to 2021. We are under pandemic. Under this situation, what is our role to our Mother India? What did we do? So Mother India is giving a call, a strong call to each one of us. You may be a teacher, you may be a professor, or you may be a doctor, or whatever may be. You may be an industrialist, or investor, or administrator, or a fourth-class employee, whoever may be. It is a call for everyone to do our responsibilities. Today, our responsibility is to make our India a developed one. It's not in one hand, it is in Indian citizens' hand. Maybe a political leader. So today we are called for to do our duty, our share, our responsibility as an individual. Mother India, our Mother India will please. Today it is a call for everyone to control the pollution. It is a call for every farmer to uplift and participate in the agro-based industry, food processing. It is a call for education ministry for impart and give to the intellectuals and to give the upcoming students a based, skill-based, value-based education. So it's each one's responsibility as we are going to promote in this academic year, as we are going to begin from February 1, the physical classes. Let us all unite together to impart as individuals our contribution towards our Mother India to profess the fundamental and the preamble of Constitution, which was adapted and enforced to make our country a better one. What is today Republic Day reminding you and me? Our Dr. Ambedkar and his commission and his group has drafted a very big constitution which makes you and me to live a life of Indian citizen. How far we have succeeded at this age, let us question ourselves. So move forward with this thought. So what is my contribution to my Mother India? How I am going to make my life in this pandemic? How I am going to be an example to the others? It's a question mark. So let us ask and evaluate ourselves, self-evaluation, so that we can do better in coming days and in future. Thank you for all and I wish you once again Happy Republic Day. So on this Republic Day, our students really wonderfully, they have taken interview with the help of one of our teacher, Mrs. Sangeeta. As a social teacher, she has motivated all the 10th class students to take interviews of police department, municipality department, and health and hygienic department, and farmers agriculture department, and let us see what are their ideas and how they have motivated and encouraged our students in imparting today's role. So with this I end. Thank you for this opportunity. Happy Republic Day.
A pleasantful good morning to respected Madam, Don Bosco Sir, Abhinav, teachers, parents and my dear students. I, Sangeeta from St. Mary's family, would like to welcome you all for today's gathering. How colorful is this morning is where we all gathered online to celebrate our Republic Day. After uncountable sacrifices of our freedom fighters, we got independence on 15th August 1947, and because of it only we can gather and speak freely today. We owe a great thanks to all of them. I salute to all those freedom fighters. We have heroes who wrote our constitution, one of the biggest constitution in the world. After the amendment of the constitution, we became the Republic of India, and the day was 26th January 1950. 26th January was chosen as the Republic Day because it was on this day in 1930 when the Indian National Congress proclaimed the Declaration of Indian Independence, that is Purna Swaraj, as opposed to the Dominion status offered by the British. On 28 August 1947, the drafting committee was appointed a permanent constitution with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as chairman. A draft constitution was prepared by the committee and submitted to the Assembly on 4th November 1947. The Assembly met in sessions open to the public for 166 days, spread over a period of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days before adopting the Constitution. After many deliberations and some modifications, the 308 members of the Assembly signed 2 handwritten copies of the document on 24 January 1950. 2 days later, it came into effect throughout the whole nation. Today, we as a country still facing a lot of problems: corruption, crime, caste politics, terrorism and more. So in this, the dream of our freedom fighters and the Constitution make us stop? I think no. Today, on the 72nd Republic Day, let us dream again of the free, fair and happy nation. We have talent, talented people and the hope. There is the only need is get together and see this as a one dream. There is nothing impossible for our country if we forget our differences and come together as a nation. We can make this dream true. So on this occasion, I wish everyone a happy Republic Day. Awake children, today's citizens, today's children are tomorrow's citizens. So this can be happen only united. As Madam said in our speech that we have to cross-check ourselves where we are. Let's unite and make this dream true of our freedom fighters. Have a happy Republic Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.